Hello guys, I have my Insignia B for almost 2 years, but I didn't know about this feature. When rain sense is on, the headlights are turning on automatically, in daylight. I hardly ever use rain sense, but from now on I think I'm going to use it more frequently. Now the rain sense is on. And 15 seconds after that the headlights are also on. When I turn off rain sense, almost immediately the headlights are turning off. Now let's test it again. The headlights are on. Okay guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more Insignia videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.